guys, this is Cameron Simpson from CS Trades 101. Thank you for joining me here today. So, wow, a little bit late here getting on here, a couple minutes late anyways. Good. I'd like to see what the market, look at this go. Because what was happening before was, pre-market, it was down 1.27. So, wow, look at that go. Wow, this is going off our other trend line from like 2 weeks ago. Beautiful stuff. We like to see it. We like to see it. Okay, so let's get all set up here and give me a second. Just need to get set up. Cool. Okay. Wow, that's pretty good. The market's doing pretty good already. It's already at 2%. That's nuts. Good. Today's going to be another good day. Remember I said that it was going to go up into the substantial, it's going to go up into... It's currently lower, or I said it was going to go up. They're going to run this back up, and then they're going to crash it again. So, guys, be prepared. They're going to try to shake a bunch of us off. All we can do is, whoa, still waking up. Sorry, guys. All we can do is just hang out and just be prepared for this, right? Wow. I'm just looking at the, wait for some more people to get online here. I'm a little bit late here getting on. Yeah, it is what it is. It is what it is. Wow, I'm so tired. We've already overturned 7.50%. Looks like we got a fight on our hands. This is going back and forth here again. Because these shares are starting to get expensive again, so we're going to have a bit of a fight on our hands because not that many people are going to be buying them, right? That's the problem is. Yeah, they're going to drive us back down again. Here we go. Here we go. Same old crap. Wow. Okay, so yeah, it's overturned. It's just cranking here. The mouth. Sorry, guys, I need to get my coffee into me. I've got it brewing right now, and then I'll stop this yawning on you guys. It is what it is. So yeah, this is just cranking the volume in here. It's just freaking hammering in here. But you have to realize that a lot of it is just cranking back and forth. Like, it's doing that levitating crap again. It wasn't doing that the other day. Now it's doing that again. So what that shows to me is that it's computer simulation shit again going on here. It's driving us all around here, these numbers. Wow, I just can't believe how tired I am today. I should have stayed in bed, but it is what it is. Just checking the rest of the market out here. Dogecoin's it back up 10%. Don't be fooled by that, because it is going to crash again. Everything else is just par. Wow. Nothing else. The whole market's done nothing right now. Oh, fuck off. I'm starting to get annoyed with this friggin' yawning crap. Starting to get annoyed a little bit. Just a little bit. Okay, dokely, smokely, hokely, dokely. Yeah, I forgot to shut this stream right up again. I always do that. Always do that. For some reason, I don't know why I do. I always forget that. But it is what it is. There we go back again. We're back in the 1.87% again. We're going to be banging off at 2. There, we just did it. We just cleared 2. We just need some consolidation. That's what we need to drive this. Now we're going to hit in 3 again. This is 4. This 440 is a... I'll be back in a minute. I go get my coffee, man. Yo, what's up, Allison? Hey, how's it going, girl? I'll see you in 1 minute. I just gotta go get my coffee. I can't stop yawning. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Let's do this now. Now we got better luck. I got some coffee in my system. I had a couple sips on the way. Wow, I just don't know what's wrong with me this morning. I'm gonna be on early mornings like this. You guys are probably like, what the hell? What's he doing? It screwed the whole schedule up. Everybody's probably waiting for like 5:30 in the morning, 5:10 in the morning, and all of a sudden he's on it. He's on it. Market open. What the heck? Oh, look at that. Okay, I'm going to leave again, because every time I leave and come back, like, what the hell? It's Allison's good luck. That's what it is. Allison is good luck. Look at this. Every time she comes on here, this thing friggin' rips. It just smashed through my trend line. Like, what the heck? Well, I'm not complaining, guys. I'm not complaining at all. We made over $20,000. No, we made over $35,000 yesterday. Just on AMC. The Wolfpack did. On our shares. Well, I don't know. You proved me wrong, girl. You proved me wrong. Because you've been on 2 times in the morning, and I've been, for the last month, it's been all in the red. And then you come on, now it's at 4%. Like, you try to explain that to me. So, I don't know. Something's going on. Anyways, maybe it's the two of us need to do stocks together or something. Maybe together we're good luck. So, cobwebs, big time. So yeah, anyways, I gotta look for a new job. My job ended. That's the problem. I'm doing my type of work. I gotta book into my union hall and go look for some more work. I should probably be working in a couple days. They're pretty good. The job. Well, this job I got pretty good. I got a week and a half or 2.5 weeks out of it. Isn't bad, but it's all right. But I don't like chasing work like this. Like, I'm getting too old for this, right? Like I said, I've already retired once. And I retired for a reason, is because of this crap. And all of a sudden I'm doing it again. I feel like I'm not a young kid anymore. That's awesome. Right on. I like your attitude. I can't go to the States. I can't go to the States, or else I would. I'd come hang with you all. Yeah, I would. I'm not allowed in the States. I was a bad boy when I was younger. I was a bad boy. The government doesn't. I'll never be for my whole life be allowed in the States. It's stupid, the rules. Like, same as, like, if you get caught smoking marijuana in the States, you're not allowed in Canada, or vice versa. Like, you know what I mean? Mine was drinking and driving though when I was a kid. So, and it was nothing. It was nothing. I didn't even do any jail time for it. It was stupid. Like, I was a kid. Like, I got pulled over. I wasn't even that drunk. Like, maybe a little bit, but I was up in the bush, and I don't want to get into stories on here just because. But it was nothing. We were kids. We were camping. And, yeah, we got caught doing stupid shit. Going and getting firewood, and got pulled over. And it's on my record, so I can't get a pardon for it because the U.S. government won't do it. They just don't want to do it. And it cost me probably like 50 grand to do it. It's not worth it. I'm not spending 50 grand on just to go to the States. I like Mexico anyways. That's my place I go. But Allison, you can come to Mexico with me. I go every year. I go a couple times a year. Like I said, we rent, I don't know if you heard before, but we rent a big resort. We always do. And this time at the AMC, when it does squeeze, depends on how high it goes, I'm going to rent the whole goddamn resort this time instead of a section of it. Oh, tough sleep. And you can come there. I got lots of friends and stuff, and they'll be going too. So, wow. Anyways, I'm just babbling away here. I'm already at 4:57 already. Wow, this is going good. This is what exactly mirror image of yesterday. I can't believe this. This is crazy stuff. Crazy. $5%. Wow. This is so good. Like, this is a mirror image. Yes, 6% almost. 5.5. This is a mirror image. There we go. 6%. Yeah, they're letting this go. There's no way we're going to get 6. This is what happens when it does a gamma squeeze. Okay, guys? This is totally traits of a gamma. Imagine if this kicked into a gamma squeeze right now. Like, it's very early in the morning. The market's been only open 20 minutes, and we pulled out from negative 1.5% up to 6% in 20 minutes. We're already over 6% now. Like, this is friggin' nuts. We're getting hardly no pullback at all. There's no fight. Like, and there's a lot of shares being bought right now, though. And we've overturned 6%. That's pretty good for this time of morning. So, yeah, look at that. We got... You're 38, I'm 44. I'm a little bit older than you. I need it more than you. No, I'm just joking. It's all good. Like, I could retire right now again. It's just that my quality of life, I like to spend. And I could actually. I could. It's just that what would hurt me is the inflation going up. Probably in the next... Look at this. We're banging off the top of my screen. There's no more room here, guys. Look at this. There's no room on the screen. Look at this. It went through the fucking screen. Okay, how do I... What? I've never seen that before. I can't even look at it. Okay, what's going on here, man? Whoa. Did you guys see that? I had to refresh the screen. I've never seen that before in my life. It pounded through the top of my screen. My screen didn't go any higher. I've never seen that in the whole life of trading before. I've never seen it do that. That was definitely a glitch on Webull, but oh yeah, what I was talking about is the inflation rate is gone up so much since COVID. Everything's like, food has gone up literally 70 to 100% more. To buy like anything, like condiments is now like $3-4 where they were only like $2. Yeah, everything's gone up like stupid, and it'll never go down. That's the problem with fucking things. When people get a taste of money, it's just a fucking root of all evil in some ways, but money makes the world go round. And I believe in that, and the more money you have, the nicer of a person you are. No, I'm joking. The easier life is on yourself, right? If you use it for the right reasons, right? And I'm a money generator. I love money. So, anyways, and the money wheel's just making money right now. Because we've already made, well, if we're at 6%, 7% on 1,000 shares, that's $7,000. $700. Yeah, it's 700, I think it is. Yeah. Yeah, it's 700. Yeah, because it would be $70 on 100 on 1,000, 700. Okay, here we're getting the straddle of death here. We need this though. What this is gonna do is gonna consolidate. This is called three crows right now. Okay, that's one. That's a spin top with two eagle legs, wicks on each side, and that's a bullish sign. Okay, so this is three crows. If we get a green right here, that's called three crows. Right now it's nothing, but if we get a green right here, that's going to be a run. Okay. Oh, we got a pullback. Wow. Holy fuck. Wow, that's crazy. We had a pullback. Did you see how it's going to take a little longer to go up higher than that? A reversal again? Wow. This is a very, very, very bullish market today, guys. Big time. That's rare getting a reversal two times in, well, we didn't one time in a row. We need some consolidation. That's what it's doing right now. We have to drive it up. It can't just keep on doing that. I'm starting to wake up, guys. I could not stop yawning. Oh my god, I was embarrassed. It was just like, holy crap. But I like literally got out of bed. I looked at my phone. I'm like, oh my god, market just opened 10 seconds ago. I'm like, I don't know if I should do this. Should I just leave these guys hanging? I'm like, oh my god, Allison's probably just waiting by the phone. No, I'm just joking. But no, I just don't want to keep on doing that to you guys. Like, I've already screwed you guys over already because that's why we only have a couple subs on here. But it's all good. I will do this with just one person on there. Even I've talked to myself on here just because I know you guys watch it afterwards. Like when I work, like I might have to, depends on what my job, where I get dispatched in Vancouver to go to work. I might have to start podcasting at 4 a.m. again, right? Those are very short ones. They're only like 10 minutes long because I have to drive an hour and a half sometimes, right, to the job site. Depends where it is. Okay, we're back at 6 again. We need another red here, guys. I know you're like, what the fuck? He's asking for red candles now? What the fuck's wrong with the guy? He better go back to bed. No, what we need is we need another couple red candles and what it will do is cause a tailwind and drive us up. I'll take green all day long if they're long candles, but like if you keep on doing this shit back like this, it just won't do anything, right? But it can go up. I'm not saying it won't. It depends on the volume, right? But I can't tell between the volume. Yeah, it's going up. Actually, these are buys. Okay, I want to teach you guys something. Okay, when the volume goes, when the market cap goes, when you see it go like, say, 2287, it goes 2285, 2286, 2283. See, it went back. That means that the shares have gone back in the market. Okay, they're not going out of the market. It means somebody that is sold, but I know it's not people selling. What it is synthetic shares. It's just the way that they're fighting. So if you see this market cap go 2278, look at 2278. Oh, it went backwards. 22781, 82, 81. No, it stopped. 82, 823, 82, 83. See, 84, 85. Okay, those are buys. Okay, a lot of people don't know that. 88. Okay, we're getting buys right now. 91, 91. Notice it goes up, but if it goes the other way, it means that they're selling. Okay, it probably is some people selling, but it most likely, because who in their fucking right mind would be selling this right now? Like, you'd be retarded to be selling this right now. Everybody knows this fucker's gonna squeeze, right? You'd be crazy. But I shouldn't say that. That's not a fair assumption. That I take that back. That's kind of rude. And there's a lot of people. Well, what if you got diagnosed with cancer last night or today? I'd be fucking clearing everything out and going and just doing with whatever with my money. So I gotta behave myself, and I gotta look further outside the box. There's a lot that happens in people's lives, but I'm talking without a catastrophe in your life. If you're just trying to like sell it and paper hand it, you will not make money on this stock. You will screw yourself if trying to paper hand this. It'll happen. It'll happen. That's weird that there's nobody. This is the first time I've ever had, it's all good. I think everybody's pissed off at me right now because I didn't come on live. And when I said I was. Oh well. They all know I love them. It's because I misled you guys the other night, I think. And they're like, oh, frig, he did it again. He did it again. What's Cameron up to? He's losing his shit. He's supposed to be our leader. Your leader gets tired once in a while, guys. No, actually, you guys are my leader. Because without you guys, Allison's the new leader. She gets the role right now. She's the new leader. She runs the whole thing. We're going to restream to her house and she can just take over. Hey, actually, we should do a collage together. Do you have a computer, Allison? We can do a restream together. You can come on one side, I can come on the other. We can, actually. I found some new software last night. I was monkeying around with software last night till about 2 in the morning. And I found some software just because I need to get some stuff ready, because when this does squeeze, I want to go live with a bunch of people from the group. I was thinking, that's something new, right? I just came up with that last night. Nobody ever does that. Nobody ever does that on their YouTube channels. So, like, I would love to go live with you guys. Like, we'll just pick a time, right? And, like, say, like, right now. Like, all I have to do is give you the stream key, and you put the stream key in. Like, just, we'll do it through my, what is it called? You have a laptop? It would work then. Sorry, I'm trying to think of how to... Okay, I'll look into it. And all I have to do is give you my email address, which you guys all have it. It's common knowledge. It's right on the bottom of the stuff. And Allison, you can write me emails if you want. But that's, well, you can, a lot of people do. A lot of people talk to me after hours on the emails. It does take me sometimes to get back to you. I don't check my emails as much as I probably should. Sometimes it'll take 3-4 days just because I'm so busy, like, especially when I'm working. But the thing is the whole market's turning green as I'm looking over and I'm getting all these warning bells going off on my phone. Dee, 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 dee. Oh, look at that. Wow. Air Canada's up more. Oh my god. We're doing good today again. Again. Yes. Good. I love it. But you make this money, but you can't cash it in. It's kind of weird. It's just self-gratification, right, I guess. But it is what it is. So we could collaborate. Yeah, we could. Well, that's what I was talking about. Collaborate. I just said it wrong. I don't know what the hell I said. We can collaborate later on. We can actually do it, and we can do a test run. How about we do it? We should do it. You'll be my test pilot. Okay, Allison. We'll just start talking, and then we'll figure out a way to do it live stream on YouTube. There has to be a way to do it. It's called. I found it OBS Ninja. Look into that, Allison. OBS Ninja. And I'll look into it a little bit more. You're going to have to give me a bit on it because I'm so busy. But let's just do it. But we will. We should actually talk. Just me and you anyways. I'll give you my email anyways, and then you can talk to me through there. It's cstrades101@gmail.com. I'm hesitant giving that. No, I'm just joking. Everybody can get that. It's just at the bottom. But what I need to do is you should log that in your laptop or in your phone or whatever, and then what it is we can do a trial run. But we'll do it. We'll do it. Especially when this thing starts ripping and stuff. I would love to come on and just talk back and forth with somebody, and then everybody else on the team can listen to us, and we'll take turns with different people. There's a couple people on here. They've been on here like since the beginning. I just wish some more people would come on. You can meet some more people. There's a whole whack. There's probably about 50 people that are really, really dedicated to this channel. That are really, really good people. I'm not saying that you all aren't, but I'm just saying that we'll actually engage in conversation and stuff. And I don't mind people staying behind the sidelines. Like, that's fine. I used to do that too on a lot of channels. Or my problem was I'd type something and nobody'd ever talk to me, right? Because there'd be so many things clicking on, and I'd never pay for a super chat. I just don't believe in it. I think it's bullshit. Well, I don't think there's any such thing as super chatting anymore. But yeah, it just I think Allison, you had the same kind of experience, right? Where you go to talk to somebody and just, I think you said something like that when you first came in. What? You actually took the time to read the chats. But yeah, it's pretty bad. Anyways, let's. I just wanted to go over that. So we have a plan. But you're wanted. We're at 7%. We just banged off of 7%. Well, you are wanted. Without you guys, like, this channel's nothing. And I think that YouTubers forget that. Like, without the subs, it's fucking nothing, man. This channel is nothing. I'd be talking to a screen right now. Well, I am talking to a screen. But you know what I mean? There wouldn't be any feedback at all. 7.22 in the money. Yes, look at it go. Remember I said it needed that tailwind? Remember I said we needed some red? And then it gets that tailwind that'll drive us up. See, if we keep on getting that, it'll keep on giving us tailwinds all the way up. Once this hits 10%, the fucker's gonna rip. Leon the Lion, what's up, brother? Hellos. Brother, how you doing? I know you probably were on earlier looking for me. I'm sorry. I looked at the clock at my cell phone, and it was 6:30 Pacific Standard Time, and I'm like, oh my god. I'm so tired because I was up late last night doing some homework for the channel, actually. OBS network is a free platform, OBS, right? Because they're going to get me to start paying for this tomorrow, they're saying. And now I'm going to get a watermark in the corner. I already paid for it for 1 month. Or no, for 3 months. And it was like fucking expensive, man. For this platform, just to say my with all my pictures and stuff on it. And I don't mind paying some money, but there was no really perks in it, right? Like it's half of these platforms you can get for free. So anyways, I'm going to get a watermark up on the right bottom corner now because I don't pay for the subscription because I'm not paying for it anymore. Forget that. So, which I'm okay with because I'll just cover it up with like an icon and it will be white and then the white won't show through. I was messing with it last night. Okay. Let's stay in the game. Okay, Allison, you have a great day, and we do need to talk though. I'm gonna start working on that. Not Restream because Restream's an actual company, but I'm gonna work on the. We'll do a test run, okay, in the next week or so, and we got to start chatting back and forth live because Leon the Lion. What we were talking about, Allison, have a good day. I'm just going to reiterate to the other people that just got on. A bunch of people just got online right now. You have a great day, girl. And, wow, that was awesome. We got to watch the line ride up all the way into the green. So, anyways, have a great day. Don't work too hard, though. I'll see you later on. So, anyways, what we're going to do, I think we were just talking about it, is we're going to start doing a collabing with, like, myself, Allison, and we'll take turns every day or every couple of days. We're gonna have members come on with me and talk side by side, okay? So you can actually do a restream with me when this starts ripping, when we're into like maybe a week down the road, we'll start doing it. So we'll pick different people. So what I'll do is I already have the software. I was messing with it last night. So you guys can actually, we'll have our pictures side by side and we can actually do watch market reading together and talk about stuff back and forth along with all the other, what do I got? 863 members on my channel. So it would be all of us. What do you think of that, guys? What do you think of that? I came with that last night. Just it will be, no other channel does that with their subs. That's how engaged I want to become with you guys, right? I think it's a good idea. Morning, Kat. How you doing, girl? I was actually thinking about you today. I was talking to Allison, and I was thinking to myself, there's more and more ladies on here coming along on this channel. And did you hear what I said, Kat? About doing collaborating with members of the channel. So it'd be me on the screen. Like we'll pick different mornings or afternoons where it's me and somebody else on their computer or smartphone. So we can actually sit and we can talk. We'll take turns. There's 863 members now on the channel, which is awesome. I love it. Oh, you can watch it later. Okay, well, no, I'll explain it. But where we were talking about is like, for instance, Allison or you or Leon the Lion or there's Scotty, there's Scott, there's a whole bunch of you guys, right, that are always on here. I know there's a bunch of people in the background, which is fine. That's cool. I don't care about that stuff, right? But I'm just saying that what I'll do is send you guys the stream key, and what you do is you plug the stream key in into because I can set a different stream key every day. So what I can do is just through my email, I can send you guys you all have my email anyways. It's on the bottom of it's right down below, right? So what we do is we take turns, and maybe a couple times a week, or once a week, we'll have 3-4 different people on there, and then they can actually go together with me. Like now, there'd be 2 boxes, one with you guys and one with me. And wouldn't that be awesome? No other channel does that, and that's what I would love to do with my subs. I think it would be very, very engaging. I think it's very positive. I think it's very. It only can good things can come out of it. What do you guys think? Okay, I'm gonna work on it. It's done. It's a done deal. Yeah, I think what we'll have to do is test runs first with everybody, just because we have to get in sync with our software and stuff. And it doesn't cost anything. What we can do is there's a thing called OBS Ninja I was looking into. I don't know if I can use this platform. I'll try. I might have to switch to this other OBS platform, but I can take my template over there because this is copyrighted, right? This template that I have right now that you guys are watching, it's my template. Well, Trade stole it, but let's not even go there this morning because we're in a good mood. We're not going to get all bitter today. But anyways, it's my template, and we'll use it. And what I'll do is knock some of this stuff over. I'll reconfigure it. We'll get rid of the AMC thing. We'll move some of the stuff around on the screen, and we'll do that. I think it will be fucking dope. So I'll do that. And it doesn't need to stay on, like I stay on for a couple hours sometimes. You guys don't need to stay on that long. Even if it's only like half an hour, or as long as you guys can, right? I understand you have lives and stuff. And what we'll do that is we'll have, I'm not going to do a draw, but first come, first serve basis, and we'll just work through the list, right? Because if we do a draw, that's not fair. That's not fair. I don't like that stuff because I'm not lucky like that in draws, and that's not fair because other people can keep on coming up, the same people, and it's not fair. So what I'll do, I got enough feedback. We're doing it, guys. We're doing it. We'll be the only channel in the history of YouTube to do that, okay? With their subs. Because I know they'll pull stuff like I can pull a marketer on here, or me and Lou can go on here together, that kind of stuff. But that's been done before. You know what I mean? It would be kind of cool to get Lou to do it, though. But I don't think he doesn't have a laptop and all that stuff. He goes off his phone. You can't use your phone. You actually have to have a physical laptop to do it, or a computer. He doesn't have that stuff, right? He goes off his phone all the time. So it wouldn't work. But we'll work it out. We'll work it definitely out for that. So that's something I'll work on today then. I'll do that today. I'll get that OBS Ninja running. So anyways, let's go through the market again here, guys. Before we get all crazy here again. So we're going to go blast in costs here. We're going to go, cost is at $19.84. We're at 2.32 in the green. GME is a little bit lagging behind, but it's okay. Like I said to you guys before, anything in the green we'll take, like on any stock. It doesn't matter if it's like 0.0%. Anything is positive energy, okay? So, GME GameStop is at 193.36. It's 1.14 in the green. And then AMC is at $45.35. It's fluctuating up and down. It's at 5.04. For you Canadians out there, Suncor Energy, our energy sector, one of the biggest in Canada, is at $26.70. We're at 3.33% in the green. And the dividend yield has actually gone down a bit. It's at 3.15 for your dividend money if you invest in this. Okay, Air Canada. Air Canada is at $25.61. It has gone up substantial amount. It has gone up yesterday. It did really good. I'm making a lot of money on Air Canada right now. It's gone up 2.60. Guys, this is like 40% off, 50% off of what it sells at. Okay, this is a slam dunk motherfucker. You're going to make a lot of money. Whatever if you put 100 grand in, you're going to make 200 grand on this, or 150 grand. Okay, it's a slam dunk. Same as in the States. All the aviation sectors are on like half price right now. As soon as COVID does clear and we get a full 100% flag to fly, this shit's going to the moon, right? That stuff's going to go. And they usually pay a dividend yield too, so it's a slam dunk, right? So, Canopy Growth, which is a marijuana stock, it's up here in Canada. It's $20.30. It's up 1.75 right now. Okay, sundown motherfuckers. It is the Stoners, the Stoner Maloners, it's actually gone up quite a bit today. It's gone up 3.45, and it's at 0.86. So this did take a bit of a hit along with all the other stocks. BlackBerry. So BlackBerry went up lots yesterday, and 4% is pretty good for a small company, right? It didn't do a squeeze or anything like that. You have to remember BlackBerry is very, very small, but they have more shares than AMC on the market, which is crazy. But BlackBerry is a very old company, right? You have to remember that. It's like 20 years old, at least by now. Maybe even older, I think. So anyways, it's $13.57. We're at 0.97 in the green, right? So, and then crypto has gone up quite a bit. Dogecoin's up at 11%, 10%, 11%. It's at 1945, 19 cents and 45, whatever you can call it. Those are actually tenths or hundredths of a cent. But anyways, Bitcoin has gone up 6.37 right now. And Ethereum is 7.02. It is at 1928. Okay, we're going to talk a little bit. We're going to talk about two other stocks that I missed that were in between here. We're going to go to MicroVision live right now because I like to watch MicroVision. Okay, MicroVision is at $14.94. And it's up 3.68 right now. And MicroVision had a good go. Let's actually look into MicroVision here a bit. A lot of red right here. They had a huge fucking sell-off. Yeah, it was $16. It's getting hit by the same shit. Okay, here's what gets me going. This is what I can tell that there will eventually be a squeeze. It could be just a gamma squeeze, though, guys. It's not going to be anything like AMC. I'm just being honest with you guys. It's not going to be, okay? But it will go into the hundreds, though. It could be in a 100, 2, 3. We don't know. That we don't know. But it has the potential here. Look at the numbers. Outstanding and free float. You always look at that. It's so close. And you have to remember that this is Webull, man. They don't even trade in the country. They're a Chinese platform, okay? That would be a kind of a conflict of interest, guys. That's why I don't like to buy through these platforms that are Forex platforms, I call them. You kind of want to use something close to home because trying to get your money on insurance on this, they could just say, oh, we went bankrupt and you lose all your shares. I'm not going to say it's going to happen, but it's happened in the past, right? So it is what it is. Just don't move stuff around. If it was me, you just leave your shit there, man, because if something squeezes and you got this in transition, I've told you guys before, you're screwed. You're totally screwed, okay? And I told you guys that with Robinhood. Robinhood, remember that time, probably about a month ago, they started giving all that money. People started getting money deposit back into their accounts for that fraud shit that they did. The courts demanded it. Okay, if you would have moved your shares around, they would have erased your name off. They would have erased your name off the platform, and then you wouldn't have got your money. Okay, just hang on a second, guys. And then you wouldn't have got your money. Just give me a second here, my friends. Sorry, guys. I'm just checking out some stuff here. Oh, I love you guys. You guys are awesome. You guys are so cool, man. Thanks for the comments. You guys always give me nice comments. I really appreciate that, man. It goes a long ways for me. It really means, even though it's just a comment, it goes a long ways, man. All creators like that stuff, right? So back to MVIS. It's at $14.99 right now. This is just a holding game, just like all the rest. And then we're gonna go into Fuse Cobalt at $14.29. Yeah, I don't like this stock. I have lost 80% of my money on this stock right now. Oh, it went up 14%. I've lost, okay, 75%, 70% of my money on it then. No, 65% of my money on this. I will not sell this until I gain my money back. I'm so mad. This is one of the stocks that I bought after hours. That's why I learned my lesson not to buy after hours. So, anyways, that's how that works. So let's go back up to AMC. I don't like that back screen. Why does it? That's that stupid. Just hang on a second, guys. I don't like it how it does that. Grid lines in background. It show grid. I like the grid lines, but because then it's easier to follow. But how do you get that crap off there? Show candle gaps. No. Weird. Access. What's this? Huh. Weird. I don't know. I don't know what's going on there. Looks like I've lost everybody off here. Is it because my software is messing up again? Probably. I know you guys are all heading to work and stuff. I was a little bit late starting this morning, and I apologize to you guys for that. Let me have a look here. I'm just going to jump back here. So, I don't know why the screen is all like that. Okay, it's at, AMC's at $45.12 right now. Two views right now. Did my stream just drop offline here? Oh, okay, maybe not. Weird. It is what it is. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to do some... I'm going to do some work here and work on that Ninja Restream shit for you guys through the day here. So let's blow this chart back up so you can see it. I'm back on the 1 minute chart here. So it's doing exactly what it... Holy shit, it went down that low. What the hell? Still, like I said, that this is what it did yesterday. And then all of a sudden, I went away from my phone. I went to my shop. And then I looked at the phone like about, I think it was 12:30. And I was like, holy crap, it's at 24%. Yeah, let's check out the volume here. Let's see what's going on here, brothers and sisters. 12.25% overturned right now. We are. Nothing else has changed. See, that's weird. Shares out, free float. Do you know why this never changes, guys? Is because they're all synthetics on the market right now. If they were real shares, this would move. Okay? That doesn't make sense. Yeah, this would be moving right. Outstanding shares of free float would be moving. How can I still can't get over that. How can the free float only be that and the outstanding shares is more? That tells you right then that there's synthetic shares on the market. It does, because how can the free float is what you have. Yeah, that doesn't make sense, man. Stupid bullshit. So anyways, oh, the chart corrected itself. Oh, okay, good. Oh, it's because I had it on the 30-minute. Ah, I see. I learned something today. Guys. 44.71, 3.65 right now in the green. I'll blow this up a bit for you guys. I'm just looking through my portfolio. I'm just going to have a look to see how much Wolfpack has in their account right now. I always do this in the mornings for you guys. Let's have a look here. Let's see what we got, how much cheddar we made in the last day or so. Wow, we made $23,000. Yeah, wow, that's pretty good. We got $123,129.33, guys. I don't know if you can see that right there. That's what the channel has. That's what the Wolfpack, that's our money. That's our money to donate money, okay? That's what we have in AMC stock. So yeah, we did pretty good yesterday. I'm just having a look right here. Yeah, that's not bad. That's not bad for a day, guys. I don't care what anybody says. That's not bad for a trading day. We did pretty good. We did pretty good. I'm proud of you guys. I couldn't do that without you guys. Just so you guys know, right? That is that's all of our money on the channel, and I don't spend it unless things do seem to be. Catherine, how you doing? Things do seem to be greener today. Cat, that's the same. That's you, Cat, isn't it? Just different count or something. You're messing with me. You're messing with my head. Okay. You're messing with me. I'm like, what the fuck? You're funny. That's hilarious. They do just seem to be greener. I wish from my phone to my laptop. Oh, okay. That's cool. Cool. Yeah, so I'm going to just check something here while you're on here. I'm just going to check because I got this software here. Host video calls free to meet. Sign up or download in needed. Meet now or join meeting. See, what I got to do is figure out how to do it in OBS. That's Open Broadcast System, okay? What I will do is do that because I... just hang on a second. It's through Skype. Yeah, I don't want to use Skype. Meet with Cameron Simpson. Meet with Cameron Simpson. Yeah, we'll figure it out. I won't do it while you're on Lime here because it's just rude, right? I'll be sitting here just spacing out and shit. But there, we just got pulled down here, guys. Remember I warned you guys about this shit? There we go. You knew these long red lines again are coming back again. So they're fighting now. They're going to drive this right fucking back down. Here we go, guys. I hate to see it, but here we go. It's going to go back down. We're going to be in the red in no time here. I hate to say that, but we already knew this was going to happen. Okay, this is called they're shaking us. Okay? Hi, Franny. Hi, what you doing? You come see Daddy? Okay. Hi, Franny. My little dog, Franny. No, I won't. It's all good. Just hang on a second, guys. Well, yeah, she can hang out with me if you want. It's all good. It's all good. She just hangs out in the living room anyways and rips everything apart. My little... Oh, did she? This is my little Pomeranian. The one that had the heart surgery. She's such a beautiful little girl. Oh my God, I'm so glad that I saved her life. Well, we saved her life. It was like $10,000. That's $10,000 of stock I could have bought. Good morning, Andy. How you doing? How you doing, brother? Andy's another one I wouldn't mind talking to live. So I was just talking to Kat and I was talking to Allison. Allison went to work, but I'm looking for work again. No, my type of work, when the job's done, it's done. I have to call my union home, book back in. So I'm off for, it could be like 3 days to a week till I get dispatched to another job. So I'm going to be doing morning streaming now. I was a little bit late by 5 minutes, 10 minutes this morning. I didn't have my correct alarm clock set on my phone, and I woke up at when market was opening. So what we're going to be doing, Andy, is we're going to be doing streaming, collaborating on my channel. So we're going to take turns with the main people that I talk to, because if the people in the background, if I don't talk to you, how would I know who you are? So what we're going to do is in the mornings like this, we're going to take turns. So everybody will get a chance, and some people will get multiple chances. Depends, because it'll run into where people don't. A lot of people like to stick in the background, which is fine. That's awesome. But what you're going to be doing is, if you want, you can come on live with me. Okay. So be prepared, guys, for this to go in the red today. I hate to say it, but we all know they're going to be trying to shake us. That doesn't interfere with the squeeze at all, okay? I'm just giving you guys heads up because I respect you guys and I don't like to mislead you. When it hits the red, just shut the shit off, unless I'm on live, of course. Unless, I don't care. I don't care what you do. But I'm just saying that line watching is not healthy. It plays a psychological problem with your head, okay? I know that for a fact, okay? Of course, I don't want it to go into the red, right? But just if it does, I just shut everything off and walk away. That's what I do. Not if I'm talking to you guys, obviously. But so what we're gonna do, Andy, is it's gonna be like it'll be like we'll take turns, and you're gonna be on the screen if you want, and I will be on the screen, and we'll be doing this together. Okay. So I'm working on some software, OBS. I have OBS platform, and it's free for us. Okay. OBS Ninja is this newer type where you can actually insert two people talking. There goes my silver bullet. You're funny. That's awesome. That's hilarious. So that's what we're gonna do, my friend. If anybody's interested in it, and if not, then just kick back and watch it. Right? It'll be just us talking and just hanging out. Right? Getting to know each other, because this is a very, very good group of people on this channel. It's just getting better and better and better, right? People are engaging more. We're getting to know each other's lives, and other people are talking to other people on the chat bar, which is awesome, asking each other questions. It never used to be like that before. And no other channels do that. So we'll be the first channel ever in history to do that. Yes, people collab together, not together with their subs, but they will do it, like they'll bring people on live, like doctors or specialists or line watchers or different stuff like that, but not with the subs. So, and I want to hear your opinion live. So does everybody else, I'm pretty sure. So anyways, let's jump on in there and have a look and see what else. I'm just having a look. Okay, GME just hit the red. Okay, so are we in the next couple minutes here. Is it dark in here, guys? Can you actually see? Oh, you can see me. Because I like it darker, not creepy blackness, but I like it a little bit darker because it hurts your eyes. Like I said, I got all these monitors in front of me, and it's overwhelming, right? It burns the shit out of your eyes. Do. We're getting a pullback on crypto too right now. The whole market's doing a pullback. Everything's doing a pullback, guys. Everything's gone back except BlackBerry's gone up 1%. Everything else has done a pullback. Everything on the market has done a pullback. I'm not talking in the red. Well, some stuff we just hit red, but I called that, guys. I called that 10 minutes ago, and it's going to get a little worse. It's going to go down quite a bit. Okay, just be prepared. We already talked about this. This is just the bullshit shenanigans. Okay, because there's no way. Look at this. This is bullshit. We yesterday overturned way less than this, and now 13.82 we're in the red. It doesn't make sense. Right? And how can we be in the red when there's no shares for sale? Like, you shouldn't be able to buy AMC shares. Yeah, the correction. You're talking about market correction. Is that what you're talking about, Kat? Yeah, there's always and every couple years, like out of maybe every like out of 5 years, maybe out of every year, out of 1 year out of five, we'll do a market huge correction. Yeah, there is a usually witching day, and there's things like that where it does corrections. Witching days used to be a positive thing, but it's been negative in the last couple days or a couple of years. Um, But yeah, we're going through a market correction for sure. This really isn't a correction. The last couple, I'd say the correction's pretty much already happened. We're gonna have a market collapse. Okay, a market collapse is really bad. When that's gonna happen, Kat, for us, I have a question for you, Kat. You're Canadian. Um, how do we get? Because I don't collect it. I never have. I'm not eligible for CERB money because I make too much money. Um, Not putting that out there. I'm not bragging or anything like that. Don't take that the wrong way, guys. All I'm saying is this: because I work up here, if you work, you don't get CERB money. Okay, down in the States, I don't know what it is, but I know we don't get any more CERB money, do we? Which CERB is stimulus, same thing. Because once that dries up, guys, the market's going to take a huge retraction. I'm just waiting for you, Kat. Okay, I don't know. I get EI because of the mat leave. Oh, okay. Yeah, you're in a totally different category. Which EI up here, for you guys that don't know, it's unemployment insurance. It means she's paid into it because she's a worker, and she paid into its insurance. The government insures you. So when you I think the States has something familiar, but that means that she's respected by the workforce, that she has insurance on herself and she gets paid. If I go back to work, then I would be apply for the CERB if it's still around. Yeah, see, I don't think it's going to be around much longer because the country is opening up, right? But look what happened in the UK. It's scary as hell, man. 40,000 new cases just like that. They tried opening up and they got cranked, man, with a whole bunch of new cases. And then we got that monkey disease coming, and oh my god, there's all these diseases coming. They always come from these third world countries. Not, well, China's not third world, but they always come from these overpopulated countries. It's scary. Like, what are they doing with animals? That I'm wondering. Like, why are they getting all these animal diseases? Like, what the fuck are they doing with these animals? That's what I wonder, right? It's kind of fucked up because you don't get that shit in Canada. You don't get that shit in the States. Like, what's going on in these other countries? And of course it attacks us because we're not immune to this shit. Like monkey disease now, like what the fuck? AIDS, like that came from monkeys, like all this stuff. It's weird. Pokemon. 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 You're hilarious, brother. I know Moore. I know a Tony Moore. Went to school with. What does that mean, my friend? ROFL. You have to remember I'm older and I don't understand abbreviations that much. You have to remember I'm an old silverback wolf here. Like I'm in my 44 years old. So oh, you asked. Oh, okay. Okay, I understand now. Roll off. Roll off. That's what's okay. I get it. I get it. Okay, we're back up to 2% again here. I just want to blow this up a bit for you guys here. Let's have a look here. Let's blow that up so you can actually see the fucking thing. Rolling on the floor laughing. Ah, okay. See, now I know what that means. You guys teach me shit, right? Rolling on the floor laughing was true. Did you watch that video? Fucking Lou went and smoked too much weed there. Did you go see that last video that he has about the monkey thing with the guy scratching? Oh my god. I watched that late at night when I was laying in bed with the dogs beside me, right? And I usually go through my YouTube. I go through all my emails and all that stuff, right? So, anyways, I got that. I was just because I watch other YouTubers too. Only certain ones though, because I don't sponsor certain programs like the ones that lie and stuff. I don't give them the credit because they get paid every time you log on the channel, right? So I watch what I do. I don't support people that lie to us and mislead us. I'm very, very critical like that. So so anyways, I'm watching his video, right? Because I do support him 100%. Holy crap, he had me laughing so hard it took me an extra half an hour to get to sleep. I could not believe it. Oh my god, man, they must have sent him a package from Sundial. Like, wow. Like, he indulges too, for sure. I used to smoke fucking that shit like it went out of style. My wife smokes lots of it, but I just don't, because of my job, right, guys? I told you guys that. I used to be the biggest chronic in Canada. I'm Canadian, what do you expect? But I can't anymore. I can't, right? Because when I go for a job, they give us a urinalysis test, right? So it is what it is. I'm okay with that, right? I smoked it since I was a teenager, every day, religiously. And yeah, I love it. I loved it. But now, like, if I was to smoke one, I'd get so paranoid. Like, the last bit, I didn't smoke it for like 3 weeks, and then I smoked just a couple hoots of a joint. And holy fuck, did I get paranoid, man. I got so paranoid that I was gonna do a stream on YouTube, and I couldn't. I was too paranoid. I couldn't get the software to work. I was all fucking up all over the place. I had to go lay down in my bed. I was all paranoid. Oh man, it was hilarious. Oh. Andy, you're fucking good shit, man. You are so fucking hilarious, buddy. I'm grateful you're on the channel, man. There's a handful, like there's probably about 25 of you that actually come out and talk, and you all have a good fucking sense of humor, man. I just gotta read this again. I gotta read this again, just because. Oh, he knows because he's a millionaire now. All of us. That's why we have good. That's why we're all happy all the time, man. Is because we're rich. We're whole fucking millionaires now. If you bought AMC stock and you own, I'm not going to put a market on it because some people can't afford as much as others, right? But like he owns thousands of shares. I own it. He owns more than me. Okay. Yeah, he's a multi-millionaire. And so am I if it goes over 1,000. If it goes to 1,000, that's $1 million, 800,000, and then I got to pay taxes on it if I take it out, which I'm not taking it all out. We already know what I'm doing. I'm going to be doing it live. I'm investing in dividend stocks, most of it, because I don't need money to live. I have everything in life, right? I'm going to take a little bit out, and because the money I work and stuff like that, that's all my trips. I might take a little bit out to rent that resort in Mexico for all of us. I might take out like 20 grand. And then I'll have to pay taxes. It's almost 40% taxes in Canada, right, on the stocks. So it's almost half your money. So it would take me about 20 grand to rent that section of the resort for us. And that, you guys are going to have to pay for your own tickets. But it'll all be free once you get there. That's hilarious, man. I had to read that 3 times. I couldn't believe you said that on there. I was like, what the hell? That's awesome, though. So, okay, well, GME's come back out of the limelight a bit. It's back in the line. It's actually... Oh, never mind. It went back into the red. But, guys, I'm going to be jumping off here. In probably, I would say, probably in about 10 minutes, my friends. I've been on for an hour and 10 minutes. I'm going to jump off because I'm going to work on that OBS Ninja free platform stuff for us so we can collaborate together, guys. I really want to do that. It's just something that, it's something that's fucking awesome. Shit. So I'm gonna definitely be doing that today, this morning, after I get off with you guys. So I'm gonna do that. I would like all of you to get my email address. You're gonna need it. Just popped up neuro. Okay, let me look at this. Okay. Neuromatrix. Halting. Holy fuck. Well, Kat, look at it. Look at the percentage of it. They've overturned. Holy shit. 944% of the stock. That's impossible. That's impossible. This is a squeeze, guys. Huge squeeze. I would watch myself. Don't jump in. If it was me, I wouldn't do it. You'll get stung. You'll get fucking stung so bad. This is a pump and fucking dump. Look at this. That's their small company. They only have 3 million shares or 4 million shares. So this is a pump and dump, and I think it's already on its way down. Because look at this. We're going to pull some history back. Oh, yeah, that's a pump and dump all day long, man. All day long. Yeah, watch yourself on that. Holy fuck. Yeah, that's scary. That's scary, guys. Scary. So this pump and dump. So obviously I missed this. It was probably on Reddit. This is a planned pump and dump, man. This was planned this morning. It just opened up, market open. It's a bunch of people with money right now. No, I know, Kat. I know. No, I'm not saying that you're in. I know. But if you got in early and you're making 170, fucking power to you. It's just that there's no win in a situation like this. It's too late. Okay? And this is very, very scary. This could even hit in the 300s, but it's just not worth it. Like, when this drops, see how fast it went up? It went up in 1 hour. It went up to the max in 1 hour, and it can come down just as fast, even faster. So that's called a pump and dump right there. We're going to save this to the favorites because we're going to use this as a template to show people. Thank you, Kat. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much for that. That is a live pump and dump right now. Somebody targeted this company because they know that it only has 4 million shares. It's overturned 1,000% of the shares. So that doesn't make sense. How can it overturn 1,000%? So they're selling shares that they don't have. So that doesn't make sense. That's even scarier. They should have. That's why they have a breaker. It keeps on breakering out on on it, Cat. Is because they're selling shares that they don't have, obviously, or the shares that are selling. It's because people are selling right now. That's what's happening. It's come down here, so people are buying it up, driving it up, and then it's collapsing. So it's gonna do this for a bit, and then it's gonna come right down, but it won't come down like it'll come right down like down in here, and then it'll start going like this. It'll start going down like this. And what will happen is it will always hold higher than this. It'll always be worth $4. Okay, I don't know for how long, but that's what will happen. It's working its way down. So we're gonna put this back on the minute. Wow, that's crazy. Kat, what platform do you work, or what platform, if you don't mind sharing? If you don't want to, you don't have to. What do you use for your alerts? Do you use Webull, or do you use Yahoo Finance? Like, what are you using? What are you getting? How are you getting these alerts? You don't have to answer that if you don't want. If you don't want to share that stuff, that's fine. I'm just curious because you have a really good system at picking up. Are you just using the hot list? Because there's a way to hot stocks. Where is it? Screeners? There it is right there. Yeah, this is a list right here. It's huge though. I think it's like almost every frigging stock on the market. Weibo? Yeah, okay. You're probably using the same thing as me. Wow, that's crazy. Crazy, crazy stuff there, girl. Dog hair again. I went and touched the dog there, and now I got dog hair all over me. But guys, I think I'm gonna jump offline here. Or do you want me to stay on longer? Do you guys want me to stay on longer? Give me a thumbs up. If you want me, if you're good, I'm gonna jump off here. It's up to you guys what you want me to do. Cause is Robinhood removing the option button during these pumps? I don't know about Robinhood, my friend. I don't have access to Robinhood. Okay, I only can use Robinhood's like their scanner. I can't buy stocks on Webull. I can't buy. You have to remember I'm Canadian, right? We have different shit up here. Go be free. Aw, thanks. So yeah, I'm gonna jump off here, guys. What I'm gonna do is I'm doing some work for this this collabing stuff. Okay, Kat, you're taking off. I'm seeing the password. Okay, guys, I'm jumping off here too. What I'm going to do is work on this software. In the next day or two, we're going to have every mornings when we come on, we'll plan it the night before, and then we'll have a backup. In case somebody can't make it, we'll have a backup person. So what we'll do is have this all ready to go. I'll have the software ready to go, and we can actually start going on here together. And we can actually put like 4 people on here if we wanted to. I don't know how we're going to do it with the screen in the background, but we can still do it. Oh, okay, Andy. Okay, I understand what you're talking about. Okay, guys, I love you, and keep it real, Wolfpack. And I know you guys do, but it's my slogan. I have to say that. I have to say that. Okay, so over and out. Peace. See you guys in the morning. I'll be on here tomorrow morning. And if things change, I'm going to set a reminder right now. Oh, what did I do that for? Already messing the software up. Okay, guys, over and out.